Free Wi-Fi sounds amazing, right? You go to a cafe, airport, mall or hotel, connect your phone and start using the internet for free. But what if I told you that sometimes the same free Wi-Fi can secretly become a trap? A trap where hackers can steal passwords, bank details, photos and even personal information without touching your phone. And the scariest part, most people never even realize it happened. Today, let's talk about the dark side of free Wi-Fi in very simple words with real examples. Whenever we see free Wi-Fi available, most of us connect instantly without thinking twice. It feels normal and safe. But cyber criminals know this too. And that is exactly why public Wi-Fi has become one of the easiest places for cyber attacks. So let's see how free Wi-Fi can be dangerous. Public Wi-Fi is usually open for everyone, unlike your home Wi-Fi. Many public networks don't have strong security. This makes it easier for hackers to enter the same network. Imagine sitting in a cafe. You are scrolling Instagram, checking emails, maybe even opening your banking app. At the same time, a hacker sitting nearby on the same Wi-Fi could try to see information traveling through that network. Sometimes, hackers even create fake Wi-Fi networks with names like free airport Wi-Fi or cafe coffee shop guest. People connect thinking it is real, but actually the hackers control the entire network. Once connected, the hacker may steal passwords, login details or private information. Mumbai airport Wi-Fi scam. There have been cases where fake Wi-Fi networks were found in public places like airports and railway stations. Hackers created fake networks with names similar to real airport Wi-Fi. Travelers connected without checking properly, and their information became vulnerable. Many people entered passwords and personal details while connected to those fake networks. Target store data breach. One of the biggest examples happened in the US with a company called Target. Hackers entered the company's system and stole the information from nearly 40 million customers, including card details. It became one of the most famous cyber attacks connected to weak network security. This showed the world how dangerous unsecured systems and networks can become. Hackers don't always look scary or suspicious. Sometimes they simply sit quietly with a laptop pretending to work like everyone else. They know most people never check whether a Wi-Fi network is real or fake. People only look for one thing: free internet. That one small mistake can sometimes cost a lot. The good news is that staying safe is actually very simple. First, avoid opening banking apps or making payments while using public Wi-Fi. Second, always double check the Wi-Fi name with the cafe, hotel or airport staff before connecting. Third, avoid entering important passwords on public networks. And lastly, if you don't need the Wi-Fi, it's safer to use your mobile data. Free Wi-Fi may look harmless, but sometimes it can become an open door for cyber criminals. In today's world, hackers don't always steal with weapons or masks. Sometimes they only need a fake Wi-Fi and one careless click. So next time you see free Wi-Fi, don't just connect instantly. Think first, because being smart online is becoming just as important as being safe in real life. And if you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe and share this with your friends or family so more people can stay safe online.